Okay, so today we're going to look at scale drawing some more, but look specifically at scale factor. So a scale factor is the ratio of any two corresponding lengths in two similar geometric figures. So a scale factor is what takes the image from a small figure to a big figure, or a big figure to a small figure. So this is our original figure. I'm just going to put an O in it. Kind of goes back to our new and our old. So we're going to draw a new one. We're going to enlarge it. So enlarge means it's going to be bigger. Okay, we're going to enlarge it by 2. So when we do scale factor, we're timesing everything by 2. So I'm going to do 4 times 2, which is 8. 8 times 2, which is 16. So there is our new image. So now we're going to show how the ratio of the corresponding sides are congruent. So how do we get to? So our length of our new figure is 16, and then our original is 8. 16 over 8 is 2. Our new width is 8, and then our original is 4. So 8 over 4 is 2. So that's where we're showing that that's the scale factor, taking our new over our originals, which is what we did with our scaled similar figures. We took our new over our old. All right, so this next one we're going to reduce. So reduce means make it smaller, and we're going to reduce it by half. So a half is saying the same thing as dividing it by 2. So yes, we are timesing it by 2, but again, when we have a half, it also means divide by 2. So half of 10 is 5. Half of 12 is 6. So this is our original and then our new. So our original length is 6. And then our new one is 6. Our original is 12. 6 over 12 is 1/2. Then our new width is 5. Original is 10. 5 over 10 is 1/2. Okay, so let's look at some different situations. So for this one, we have our original figure. We're going to reduce it by 2/3. So reducing again, it's going to be smaller. So we're going to times it by 2/3. So a little bit of math on these. So we're going to do 18 times 2/3. So we're going to have to make it a fraction by putting 1 underneath, and then we're going to multiply. 18 times 2 is 36. 1 times 3 is 3. 36 over 3 is 12. Okay, put her in. And then we're going to do the same thing with 24. 24 times 2/3. So we're going to put a 1 underneath and then multiply. 24 times 2 is 48. 1 times 3 is 3. And then 48 over 3 is 16. So now we're going to show that it equals 2/3. So our new length is 16. And then our original is 24. So we're going to simplify that by 8. And 16 divided by 8 is 2. 24 divided by 8 is 3. And then for our original width, our new width is 12. Our original is 18. Again, we're going to simplify that. So we got to put that we're getting it to 2/3. So divide it by 6. 12 divided by 6 is 2. 18 divided by 6 is 3. All right, so for our next one, we're going to make it larger by 4/3. So again, we're timesing it by 4/3. So just like above, we're going to do the same thing. So we have 15 times 4/3. Make 15 a fraction by putting 1 and then multiply. 15 times 4 is 60. 1 times 3 is 3. 60 over 3 is 20. And then we're going to do it with 21. So 21 times 4 is 84. 1 times 3 is 3. Then we're going to divide 3 into 84, which is 28. All right, so now we're going to prove that it's going to be 4/3 since we've enlarged it. So we're going to take our new length, 28, and then take our original length of 21. We're going to simplify that. So we're going to divide it by 7. 28 divided by 7 is 4. 21 divided by 7 is 3. And then for our new width, it was 20. Original was 15. 20 over 15 is going to simplify by 5. 20 divided by 5 is 4. 15 divided by 4 is 3. Okay, so I wanted to go over scale factor because we're going to see some on our test, and we're going to see a few more questions like this on our homework. Not tonight, but next week.